gonna do it. I am just going to take this one. Now again, watch this again carefully. When you're using this this thing here to remove these valves, the spring, again, every time you're working with the spring, you must use extreme caution. That is a very good advice I'm giving you. Because once that thing pop, think of it as a gun or whatever. And ain't no telling what's gonna hit. Your eye, your nose, whatever, you know, can grab. Just, okay. Alright, alright. Make sure this is, you know, you got this in there, all the way in there. Okay, now we're gonna tighten it up. And it's gonna just pull the spring. There you go. Now you use a very tiny screwdriver like this one.
Yeah, I'll pick it up.
Okay, flat screwdriver. Okay, kind of like, you know, put your shoulder in here. That's what I do sometimes. See, out. Get the locks out of here. You got these locks. You gotta get them out of here. Okay, now I got that out. See how easy? Oh. Now this one here, every time you get this out, hurry up and get it loose. Okay, see? Trust me, if you mess with this, you let it sit there, don't ever let this with the spring attached to it just sit. It's just gonna explode, man. I'm telling you. And this thing will travel so fast, if it hits you in the eye, you're done. You know? Hits you in the eye, man. You're gonna be a
blind.
What do you call it? That great singer, and that's blind. What is his name?
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder, yeah, Mr. Wonder, man. I love his music. He's alright. I don't know what it is, but every time I think about anything blind, I just gotta think about Stevie Wonder. Man, this is what I was after, and I just messed it up now. Can you imagine? This is just like working hard for your money and then you just waste it. Okay, I cannot reuse this one, but yeah, this is a good one. This one look good. Yeah, I'll use this one. This is what I was gonna get from this one. Is this the right one that's supposed to be here anyway? Which one did I just pull out? No. Oh, this seal ain't the one that's supposed to be here. Okay, now what I'm doing here is putting this valve back together. After I got everything cleaned up, what I'm gonna do is, okay, you gotta compress this one here, and you know, put your hand under there and hold this the valve down there. That way it's not gonna move. You do these locks here. Come on. Okay, got one in there. Another one come in. Another one. Come on. You know, man, if the economy stays like this, people will be fixing their own cars, man, forever. I'm not taking nothing to the shop these days, I'm telling you. Okay.
You got the locks on?
And, yep. Nice there. Right there. Beautiful. Let's put D here. D as in Detroit means it's done. Now I got one more. One more to do. Just this one. Let's take it out. Take this one out. Again, always make sure you got this thing all the way in there. This is serious business here. Dangerous stuff I'm doing here. Dangerous. Gotta use caution. Be careful. Think. You know, always keep your hands on this spring and the thing. You know, this is one of those things you got to do right. 100%, you know. You make a mistake, people will have to dial 911 for you right now. And you don't want that. You don't want to go to ER, you know. They make you wait anyway. It don't matter how hard you bleeding, you know. You be over there crying and bleeding. And you gotta wait. It's act crazy, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I need to be admitted, man. I need a doctor. Now. And now, oh, okay. Room number 5. Come on, get in. Okay, we got this one out. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I'm gonna need the. Okay, now, you know what? Normally you should use new. These seals, you should always put new ones. You know, a lot of people would even buy new valves and the stuff. But, yeah, this seal here, you know what? I'm going to just leave it over there. Okay, now here's the valve. What I'm going to do is inspect this one. I like it. It's good. Just dirty and need to be reconditioned. You know, that's all it is. Let me use okay, let me clean up the this here first. Oh man, it's hot today. 90. Now remember what I'm doing here, a lot of people would not recommend this. And there are reasons for that. You don't want to make a dip here. You don't want to overdo this because it's got to sit on that thing. But I'm doing it easy. You know, I know what I'm doing. I have done this before. And it worked for me. So I can do it. But if you want to take these risks, just be careful. Okay. Nah. Still got lots of see, the thing wouldn't even move. That's why I like to do it like that. Gonna get rid of all this dirt and stuff. This way. Man, this van will be new when I'm through. When I'm done with this one. I've been wanting to do this. It's been cold, you know. I was like, in the summer, I'll get it done in the summer. But you can't do this in the winter. Yeah. Cold in it. It's cold in Michigan. Michigan. French people, that's how they call Michigan. 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 Providence, they call it Providence. Providence. Je suis venu au Providence. You know, Paris is Paris. In French, people just talking about, oh man, I'm going to Paris, you know. I'm going to Paris. I'll be back Tuesday. It's Paris. Paris. French people though, you know, when they speak in French, they talk like that too. Like they're cool or something like that, you know. Moi, je suis venu de Paris, Montréal, Quebec. Hey, okay, if you're from France or whatever, you know. You're still a human being, you know. Okay, let's now see if we can control this baby. There you are. It is just still giving me a hard time, but I'll take care of that. WJLB. All right. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. I'm happy with it like that, right there. That baby ain't gonna leak. Maybe I should just go to New York City when I'm done, you know, just drive this van to New York, just hang out over there. Go to a nice hotel and just hang out, you know. And people be asking me, hey, what you doing here? I said, nothing. You know, some people do that. Just be driving around. You know who does that? The bikers. They just get in a bike and no cause trouble. And gangsters too. Buy a brand new Harley and just be driving all over the place. Hey, where you going, buddy? Nowhere. We just driving. That's all we're doing. Went to the bar. She's going to get drunk, huh? You know you can drunk drive in a car. When you're drunk driving a bike, man, that's your ass, you know. You better wear a helmet. That ain't even gonna help you. You just all right now. Yep. You all right? Okay. I am happy with that one. Satisfied. 100%. What I'm gonna do now is just put it back together. Yeah, put it back together here.
Yeah, it's the old spring. Is that okay?
Yeah. Me don't care.
Springs don't make a big deal.
Are you a mechanic now?
I'm asking.